Hey guys, it's me, Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about drone delivery. So let's get started. So in today's world, traffic is a very normal thing, and a lot of different companies, they have a delivery service like Amazon, and the mail system and delivery, it can all get very busy, and it can be hard to deliver goods like shampoos or food or whatever. So a lot of companies have been turning their backs on conventional ways of delivering things and instead are using drones. Amazon is a great example, Walmart as well. But when it comes to these kind of small things, it doesn't matter that much, but people still want it to be as convenient as possible and to reach their hands as fast as possible. But when it comes to something that could save a life, it is even more important. Imagine that someone is, let's say that someone needs a transplant, an organ transplant, and there is traffic. You're trying to take an organ from one hospital that is from the other side of the city, and then you want to, drive with a vehicle, like a bus, a car, whatever, and you want to go through the traffic and reach the hospital. And people who have experienced these kind of things, who have experienced being in downtown and having a lot of traffic, they know that it will take even longer than just walking to your destination. There are buses, there are cars, there are motorcycles. Everyone is trying to get to the destination, especially in times like rush hour. And if you aren't able to deliver an organ at the time that is needed, you may lose a very important opportunity to save a life. However, when it comes to the sky, there is no traffic, right? And drones are really perfect for that. So there was a person who needed a lung transplant, and they already had a lung. However, it was on the other side of the city. It was 2 kilometers apart, the two hospitals, I think. And the organ was from the Western Hospital of Toronto, and the transplant that was going to take place where the person was, the person who needed the surgery, was at the Toronto General Hospital. And so the drone took the lung from the Western Hospital to the General Hospital, and they were able to save a life. And this is great news because this allows people to get their transplants done way faster than before. Because, the moment you take an organ out of the body, it starts to decompose immediately. So you need to be very, very quick with it. Otherwise, you have lost your chance, you have wasted an organ, and possibly ended a life on accident. And no one wants that. The drone that they used for this was from a Chinese company called DJI, and the drone itself, it was an M600 model, I think, and it's not in production anymore. And they made some changes and tweaks to it. They, changed the whole, the body of the drone so that they could attach a box to it, where the lung was in the box, and they could attach the box to the drone itself. They also installed some GPS technology so that they could track the drone itself, of course, and some other kind of changes that was necessary. But yeah, guys, that's for today's video. I hope you guys learned something new. And if you want to know more about this, if you're interested in this topic, I have provided the link to the article, as always, in the description. So yeah, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!